In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of Filofax's The Original Organizer in personal size in midnight blue. Then I'll show you how I have set it up for my own personal planning. Let's go. As a Filofax ambassador, I receive products from Filofax and share my experience of them and showcase how I use it in my own planning. All details I mention and show in today's video, I'll outline in the description below. There were a couple of other products in this parcel I can't show you yet as launch dates are in March. This is the original Filofax in personal size and the colour is midnight blue. This colour is the newest addition to Filofax's The Original collection. It's proudly made in the UK and it does come in a variety of other colours like dark aqua, lemon, pillar box red, raspberry, stone, black, burnt orange, lilac and fluoro pink. Do check the colour availability at your local Filofax site. Through the magic of editing, 2 weeks later and a change of nail polish, let me quickly go through the product specs of this organizer. It's crafted from thick leather. It features an iconic design styled using the original Filofax look. Its simplicity gives its beauty. It has a snap strap closure, 2 pen loops. The second loop is a little bit smaller, so normal thickness barrel just fits. It has one multifunctional elastic holder that you can use to hold things like your sticky note flags. It has 2 card pockets and 1 vertical slip pocket. The rings are 23mm in diameter. And at the back, 1 vertical slip pocket with 1 dotted pad, pocket and notepad. This is great for on-the-go notes to jot down. The organizer comes with transparent flyleaf, this lovely cover page, 6 divided tabs, to-do lists, contact pages, ruled note paper, grid paper, plain blank pages, and assorted coloured ruled paper in blue, green and pink. You get this ruler which doubles as a page marker that you can remove and replace easily. Then you get Week on 2 Pages 2023 diary which is multilingual. And at the back, more blank pages. Other pages include personal information, national information and holiday info. Plus, you get a top opening envelope you can pop your receipts in. So that is a rundown of what you get from this Filofax personal size, the original organizer in midnight blue. Next, let me show you a flip of how I've set it up for my personal planning. I use Pentel Energel Cleaner pen with 0.5mm refill as my go-to day-to-day pen, and this fits in the first pen loop. Now if out and about, I can also add this mini gel pen in grey and pop it in the second pen loop. The organizer still closes nicely with ease. On the clear flyleaf that came with the organizer, I have added this free printable calendar card from Plan with B and stuck it on with washi tapes. Then on a grid paper, I stuck on some various stickers from the Carpe Diem Bloom sticker pad. Next, just cause I love him, I added this picture of my husband and I from a few years back, one of my fave pictures of us. I made these clear dividers with tabs using these clear plastic document envelopes I found in the stationery section of Daiso. Let me show you how it originally looked. It's a top opening A4 document envelope. Then I trimmed it down to the dimensions of a personal insert, adding tabs to it. First I trim off the edges and then I cut to size. To see how I make my clear divider tabs, you can watch this how-to playlist right here. These next pages are prompts I made using information from an online course I'm taking called Video Ranking Academy by Sean Cannell. I stuck sticky note flags on vellum paper I cut to personal size. I created labels and stuck it on different coloured sticky note flags. I created labels and stuck it on different coloured sticky note flags using my Dymo Letra Tag label maker. I really like these pages as it's colorful, and instead of having to refer to my course notes, I can easily flip to these pages and see the prompts for each stage of my 7R framework in creating my YouTube videos. Now these handwritten notes are exactly the same information as on the sticky note flags, with some other additional tips I picked up along the way. The next divided tab is for other content prompt pages I'm going to make for my other social media platform posts. I'll make it the same way as these sticky note flags with labels. Give me a thumbs up emoji in the comments if you also want to see a video of that. Other things I'm going to keep in here are the different notes like my brand color codes and many other notes I've taken on sticky notes regarding my research and stats that I may find useful for future reference. The next section are for my notes. I have cut slits through to the hole punch so then I can easily remove and replace my clear divided tabs. These Grid Pages printables are free from Peanuts Planner Co's private Facebook group, and they're great to jot my notes down. I printed a few pages ready on hand. The next section is for my content ideas. I'm using these Content Planner printable that I bought from Peanuts Planner Co's shop. I did change the heading from Content Planner to Content Ideas, and it's a great way for me to plan out my ideas and the steps I need to create them. Again, I printed a few of these pages. The next section I have is a Today Divided tab for my daily planning. Now I position the Divided tab at the top right hand corner so I can easily access it to open to today's page. I created this daily on 2-page spread printable which has 4 columns. The first column you circle or mark today's day, and it has a full day's time blocking. This one has a 4 AM start to 3 AM. I'll also have a 5 AM, 6, 7 and 8 AM versions in the printable download which I'll make available on Friday. This will give enough time for those of you considering purchasing it for your own personal planning. Sign up to my newsletter at mariannecresp.com and I offer early bird special of 50% discount for new planner insert printable download that I create for the first 24 hours. This printable also has a water intake tracker, as keeping hydrated is very important. This column I use for tasks, events or to-do that relate specifically for that day. The other 2 columns are for other tasks. Let me show you some example pages. So here I've marked the day, write the date. I use stickers to embellish my pages. These stickers here are from Square Lime Designs and Keener Prints. Here I'm also tracking my very broken sleep throughout the day. My sleeping pattern at the moment, as you can see, is all over the place. So I'm working on improving that. Here's the water intake tracker and my tasks for the day. These ones are my specific tasks for my business, like working on my planner inserts or working on my next YouTube videos. I also add the day's weather forecast with stickers from Square Lime Designs, and this section are for tasks that I'd like to do but not necessarily immediate. So I've only been using this planner spread for the last few days, but I like it as it's functional, but I can also embellish it with stickers, which of course makes me happy. So I've labelled 2 weeks ahead of time already, and I will just add the task as I go, either the night before or the morning of. The next section of my personal size planner are my pages for video scripting. So these are the free grid printables from Peanuts Planner Co, and I've just added a heading video script. I write out my notes of the things I want to cover in my videos, as well as my script and voiceovers, just like this one. The next section is my list of stuff, which are tasks I have categorized into 6 buckets or collection. So I have a few things I have noted down throughout the months as side hustling my content creation. But since I'm going to be doing it full time, I need to sort through it. So this is the latest headings of my categories of stuff to do. Me stuff, family, my shop and printables, YouTube stuff, other income producing activities, and newsletter, and maybe I'll blog again. Some other stuff I have written on sticky notes that I need to sort through. So stuff, according to a book called How to Get Things Done by David Allen, are things that you want or need to do but don't know yet what to do with it or the outcome you want out of it. Now the final section is for my projects list. So a projects list are for those tasks that have more than one physical action step. It's a great way to break down your bigger task into small, manageable action steps so it's not so overwhelming. This idea is also from How to Get Things Done methodology. For example, my online course, I can break my study into manageable modules that I can tackle one at a time as part of my mental routine of my 7 areas of focus. Once completed, I cross it off and move on to the next planner, or do the action steps from several projects. It has a target and actual start dates, as well as your target and actual end dates. Finally, I just cut one rectangular piece of that document envelope to protect the page from rubbing against the notepad. So that's how I've set my Filofax, the original organizer, in personal size and midnight blue. Now if you got some ideas from this video, make sure to hit the like button. Coming soon is the unboxing and setup of my A5 size, the original organizer, also in midnight blue. So make sure to hit that bell to get notified of my next video uploads. Next, watch my Get Things Done playlist to learn more about how to use the list of stuff, projects list, and someday maybe list. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.